So I'm wearing this hat today. Should I? No. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing a silly hat, which is from the kids section, but it fits my head. Actually fits better, but I'm wearing it a little bit higher for the camera. It's because tomorrow my cat's having surgery and I am absolutely stressed and beside myself. So I'm trying to keep myself occupied, and obviously I'm doing Taste Test Tuesday to take my mind off things. Let's check that oil. Oh, my baby! Give him to me. He's my baby. So, what's actually happening with him is, last year he had an adenocarcinoma in his large intestine, and so he underwent surgery. He was very sick before he had the surgery, and they took a part of his intestine out, and then he ended up doing 6 rounds of chemo, and he came back stronger than ever. And he's been having checkups for like every 3-4 months, just to make sure that he was in remission and whatnot. And he was for a while, and then the last checkup they found a lump in his liver, and they tried to take a sample, but it was in a really bad position, but they're sure that it's cancer. So tomorrow he's going to have what they call a look around surgery, remove any cancer they find and try and find out what kind of cancer it is and how best to treat it. And can you pass me that? I want to see if he can smell it, like if it's meaty to him. I mean, he always turns his nose up at food, but he seems pretty interested in it. Anyway, I'm going to put him down. His oil should be ready to go. Yep, good to go.